Hello students. Students, today we are start the new topic in your biochemistry is your bioenergetic. Okay. What is the name indicating in that the bioenergetic? The biological system required energy to conduct the biochemical reaction. It is your the bioenergetic. Means the biological system needed the energy for the working the lots of work. For the carry lots of work. The particularly you very well known about it. Each and every reaction is a completed, and each and every form means one form to convert it into the another form, there is a needed the energy. There is a needed the energy, and this bioenergetic is the working of your the thermodynamically free energy, thermodynamically as well as the chemical process. Okay, the lots of process which having help to the formation of energy. The main objective in their particular to the formation of energy. Okay, definitely chemical process carry होंगी तो ही एनर्जी गेन होंगी, एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होंगी. बट केमिकल प्रोसेस कैरी करने के लिए हमें एनर्जी भी पर्टिकुलरली ऑक्युपाइड करना पड़ेगा, एनर्जी भी पुट करना पड़ेगा, देन टू गिव द पर्टिकुलरली एनर्जी. ओके, तो particularly the lots of energy, the free energy which having using in there. What is the meaning of free energy? The free energy is a usually contain the potential energy, usually contain potential energy. It is a not a absolute depend on the choice of your 0 points. Absolutely is a depend on your 0 points. Particularly that's a different thing. The thermodynamic energy concept is a useful for the thermodynamically, chemically and thermal process, the engineering and the science which having help to the formation of your energy. The lots of cycle like is your the Krebs cycle. Okay, first of all एनर्जी जैसे ही आपके ध्यान में आए तो सबसे पहला क्या फंक्शन आता है आपको, ATP, एडोनोसिन ट्राई phosphate, and you very well known about it, the working of ATP, the uses of ATP. Without ATP human being can't survive, human being can't survive. That is a particularly the bioenergetic is a one of the important part in there. Okay, in this chapter we will discussing in that the what is the meaning of the free energy, who is a discover the Gibbs was a particularly first time discover the free energy. And what is the meaning of free energy? The particularly free energy is that the portion of the total energy change in a system available for the doing work. Okay, means what, the total energy change in the system. Okay, whatever the system in there, particularly totally the energy changes at that the portion to at that time to doing the work, it is known as the chemical potential according to the Gibbs. Okay, they having a formula, particularly the free energy is equal to the heat minus T delta S. That is your the free energy. Means simply the useful energy is equal to the change of the enthalpy and the change in the entropy. That's the concept of it. Okay, that's the free energy. Then the also discussing in that chapter the particularly thermodynamic principle. You very well known about it, the three main principle of your the thermodynamic. Three main principle. First of all, what is the meaning of thermodynamic? Thermodynamic is your the branch of science which deal with the study of relationship of your heat and other form of energy. Simply the thermodynamic is a expressing in there the relationship between the heat and your the other form of energy. That is your the thermodynamically study. The lots of the lots of law, they are about the three law of your the thermodynamic, and this law which having the very helpful to the understanding the lots of things, like is your the direction of reaction. Okay, the direction, which type of direction is a takes place, that's a positive as well as the negative, whether the left side or right side, it's a vice versa, it's a vice versa. The particularly this law which having helpful for the determination of the direction of your reaction. The next one, it also used to the accomplish of your work, whether the useful or not. This whole of the study which having the depend on your the thermodynamically law, and this law which having help to the particularly to determine the direction of reaction, to accomplish of work, whether the energy is your the driving reaction must to the deliver for the external source. The lots of use we having seen in that particularly. Okay, और तीनों लॉ हम स्टडी करने वाले. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट लॉ? यू वेरी वेल नोन अबाउट इट. द एनर्जी नॉट बी क्रिएटेड and not to be destroyed, it will be converted into the one form to another form. That is you are the one of the important law of your the thermodynamic. It's your the first law. Okay, then all three law we discussing in there. Okay, also discussing in this chapter the type of reaction. The two type of the reaction is a presenting in your the bioenergetic, exergonic and endogonic. Exer means outside reaction, exergonic reaction and endogonic reaction. Exergonic reaction means the outside of, and endogonic means inside of this particularly. What is the meaning of exergonic? Means simply it is a, exergonic is your the spontaneous reaction, release of energy, release of energy. If the free energy change in a negative, this reaction is due to loss of energy from the reactor. It's called as a exergonic. exergonic यानी क्या, बाहर जाना, इट्स अ लॉस एट, लॉस ऑफ योर एनर्जी. एक्सर्गोनिक, एक्सर मीन्स इनसाइड से आउटसाइड जाना, मीन्स एनर्जी आपकी लॉस होना. जब एट एनर्जी स्टोर है आपके पास, तो पर्टिकुलरली एनर्जी एक्सर होना मतलब क्या, 8 में से पर्टिकुलर जस्ट कंसिडर्ड 2 एनर्जी आपकी लॉस हो गई. दैट इज योर द एक्सर्जेनिक. एंड एंडोजेनिक मीन्स टू change the positively, or a free energy change is a positively, the reaction is called as the endergonic, means the store of your energy. That is your the endergonic reaction is discussing in that chapter. Is also discussing in chapter particularly enthalpy. What is the meaning of enthalpy? Enthalpy which having help to the measure the how much heat absorbed to given off when the chemical reaction takes place. How many energy, how many heat which having absorbed by the chemical reaction. This study is a help to the determining by the enthalpy. Next one is your the entropy. Okay, entropy which having the Celsius is the first time particularly expressed this terminology in 1850. In 1850, the highlighting of your the 19th century particularly. Entropy means which having help to the measure the system thermal energy per unit temperature. Okay, measure of system thermal energy per unit temperature, that is unavailable during the useful. Thus entropy which having also help in there particularly to determine the dynamic disorder. Dynamic disorder, the also in that the particularly in this chapter we discussing in that the redox potential. It's your redox potential. And also discussing in that the energy rich compound, that's your the adenosine triphosphate. It's a cyclic AMP. All of the thing we having a discussing in that particularly chapter. Okay, without wasting our time, we start the particularly beginning of your this chapter. Introductory part, the bioenergetic or biomolecule thermodynamic is the study of energy. Okay, is the study of energy, means the biological system which having the required to carry the particularly chemical reaction. There is a needed the energy, and because of the chemical reaction is also the formation of energy, means the simply the study of your energy changes accompanied by the biochemical reaction or biochemical system. It's called as a bioenergetic. Simply bio means the biological system as well as the biological chemical reaction, and you are the energy. It's your the particularly, it is a simple to the study of energy changes accompanied by the biochemical reaction or biochemical system. It's called as a bioenergetic. It's called as a bioenergetic. It's a name indicating in that. The thermodynamic free energy is a concept useful in a thermodynamics of chemical or thermal process in engineering and science. This thermodynamic concept, bioenergetic concept, is a not involving in your the pharmacy. It's also in your the engineering and your the sciencing purposes. So then the particularly thermodynamic free energy concept is very important to determination of your chemical and thermal process in your engineering and your sciences also. The change in the free energy is a maximum amount of work that thermodynamic system can perform in the process at a constant temperature. At a constant temperature, if the change the free energy is a maximum amount is working. ओके जब पर्टिकुलरली फ्री एनर्जी मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में वर्क कर रहा है, दैट द थर्मोडायनामिक व्हाट इज डू, दे हैविंग अ वर्किंग एट अ कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर, वर्किंग एट अ कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर. एंड यदि वो कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर पे पर्टिकुलरली वर्क करेगा, देयर इज अ क्लियरली इंडिकेटिंग इन दैट द process is your the thermodynamically favorable or forbidden. Process of your the thermodynamically favorable and you are the forbidden, that is you are the फ्री एनर्जी. ओके, जब फ्री एनर्जी मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में वो सिस्टम में इन्वॉल्व है, मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में सिस्टम में इन्वॉल्व है, तो थर्मोडायनामिक सिस्टम क्या करेंगी, उसे वही कांस्टेंट रेट से और कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर से पर्टिकुलरली कैरी करेंगी. और जब ये थिंग होती है पर्टिकुलरली, there is a clearly indicating in that this system or this working or this phenomena which having the under the thermodynamically processing, that is your the bioenergetic. The next one in that the free energy usually contain the potential energy. The free energy usually contain the potential energy. It is a not a absolute but depend on the choice of 0 point. Okay, फ्री एनर्जी यानी क्या, इट्स योर द स्टार्टिंग एनर्जी, मीन्स योर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. फ्री एनर्जी इट इज योर द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, मीन्स योर द स्टार्टिंग एनर्जी, एंड स्टार्टिंग एनर्जी इज द बिगिनिंग फॉर द 0 point, beginning for the 0 point. Therefore only relative free energy value or change in a free energy are feasible and the meaningful. Feasible and मीनिंगफुल. ओनली द रिलेटिव फ्री एनर्जी वैल्यू, जो फ्री एनर्जी वैल्यू है, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज अ फिजिकली एज वेल एज द मीनिंगफुल पर्पजिंग इन देयर. द बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ एनर्जी इज अ मेजर ऑफ बॉडी to ability to cause changes, definitely energy which having help to require the biochemical changes, hence is the energy is a one of the important era in that particularly. Okay, that is you are the bioenergetic. Okay, you very well known about it in that particularly the free energy is a very important in there, because the free energy is also contain the particularly potential energy. ओके, जितना एनर्जी आपके पास रहेगा, जितना पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आपके पास रहेगा, उतना ही बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस आपकी फास्ट होंगी, और जितना बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस एज वेल एज थर्मोडायनामिक प्रोसेस आपके कैरी होते रहेंगी, उतना ही आपका पर्टिकुलरली एनर्जी फॉर्मेशन, एनर्जी जनरेशन एंड कन्वर्जन इट्स फास्टली occurring in there. Okay, first of all, the whole of thing, the free energy is required. First of all, what is the meaning of free energy? The free energy, the Gibbs was a particularly described in that the particularly free energy. According to the Gibbs changes in a free energy is that the portion of total energy change in the system available for the doing a work. It's known as the chemical potential. Okay, it's a clear. According to the Gibbs, what the total energy or portion of total energy in this system, मतलब कुछ पार्ट आपके टोटल एनर्जी का जो सिस्टम में प्रेजेंट है एट अ टाइम ऑफ ड्यूरिंग वर्क, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ फ्री एनर्जी. मीन्स एक सिस्टम के लिए जस्ट कंसिडर कि 50 एनर्जी लगती होंगी. दिस टोटल जो 50 एनर्जी क्या है, इट्स योर द फ्री energy, and this is also called as a chemical potential. Means वो 50 energy is sufficient to changing the chemical process, to changing the chemical reactions, and hence is called as a chemical potential. This free energy which having able or potential to the changing of your the chemical reaction as well as changing in your the chemical process. That's a particularly the formula is a expressing in that the particularly the useful energy is equal to change in enthalpy and your change in a entropy. What is the meaning of enthalpy? Enthalpy is your the energy content, and entropy means the randomness of the system. Okay, 50 unit enthalpy यानी क्या, आपने जस्ट कंसिडर 50 ATP ऐड किया है, 50 ATP आपकी केमिकल पोटेंशियल है, तो दैट्स अ एंथैल्पी. एंड एंट्रोपी मीन्स हर एक प्रोसेस के लिए कितनी एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड हो रही है. द रैंडमनेस ऑफ दिस सिस्टम, इट्स कॉल्ड एज अ योर एंट्रोपी. इट्स कॉल्ड एज ऑफ योर एंट्रोपी. द फ्री एनर्जी इज अ फॉर्मूला इज योर द G is equal to H minus Ts. Means the useful energy is equal to the change in the enthalpy minus change in a entropy. That is your the free energy. And enthalpy means the energy content. and entropy means the randomness of the system. Randomness of the system. The energy is defined as the capacity to work, which is the product of a given force acting through the given distance. Definitely. What is the meaning of the energy? Energy means to capacity to do work. Okay, energy means you are the potential energy. This potential which having able to the do your work. Okay, which is the product is a given force acting through the given distance. Okay, कहाँ से start होगा और कितने distance पे वो product form होगा, that is the you are the form of your the energy. Means the work is equal to the force into distance. Work is equal to the force into distance. Particularly energy exists in a variety of form such as electrical, mechanical, chemical, heat and light energy. Lots of energy. Okay, the lots of form of the obtaining of energy means the energy existing with the variety of form: electrical, mechanical, chemical, heat and lights. The whole of the form of your the energy. Form of the form of your the energy means simply the free energy is a particularly more than zero. Sorry, free energy is your the more than zero for a spontaneously occurring reaction at a constant temperature and pressure. Okay, free energy is a less than of your zero, means the zero is your more than you are the free energy. Then you are the free energy for the spontaneously occurring reaction at a constant temperature and pressure. Okay, the reaction with particularly less than zero, it's occurs spontaneously, it's called as a exergonic. And free energy is a more than zero, it's called as a endergonic. Must be the driving input of your free energy. Okay, free energy यदि लेस देन जीरो होंगी, फ्री एनर्जी यदि लेस देन जीरो होंगी, इट इज़ अ एक्सर्गोनिक. मीन्स सिस्टम से और फ्री एनर्जी आपके क्या हो रही है कि आउटसाइड जा रही है. और एंडरगोनिक यानी क्या, यदि पर्टिकुलरली रिएक्शन आपकी मोर देन ज़ीरो होंगी, फ्री एनर्जी मोर देन ज़ीरो होंगी, दिस इज योर द एंडरगोनिक. दैट इज योर द सिंपल प्रोसेस ऑफ योर द फ्री energy. Next one in that the particularly thermodynamic principle. Next one is your the thermodynamic principle. Okay, this principle is a very important in your the bioenergetic. The thermodynamics is a defined as the branch of science that deal with the relationship between heat and other form of energy such as a work. Such as a work is called as a thermodynamic. It's called as a thermodynamic. Thermodynamic is your the branch of science, right, which deal with study of your the heat and other form of your energy. Heat and other form of your energy such as a work, it's called as a thermodynamic. It's called as a thermodynamic. It is a frequently summarized as a three law. It is a frequently summarized as a three law that describe the restriction on how different form of energy can be the interconverted. The many quantitative observation made of the interconversion of various form of energy have a scientist to the formulation of three fundamental law of your the thermodynamic: first, second and third law. First, second and third law. Okay, how to changing in that the thermodynamically energy, they having a various scientists which having the describing of this particularly three law. Okay, that's we was discussing, and this particularly three law क्या हेल्पफुल है, क्या यूजफुल है, दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ particularly useful. I was told you particularly these three law which having help to the determination of the direction of your reaction to accomplish of the work. That's a lots of working in there, we see in that front of it. The particularly this law help us understanding the direction of reaction, like is your the left side, right side, okay, increasing and decreasing, whatever it may be. The help of this particularly determination of your or direction of your reaction to accomplish of work, whether useful or not. Whatever the working is your done, they having a effective or non effective to determine by this thermodynamically law. whether the energy of your driving a reaction must be delivered from the external source, must be delivered from the external source. That's a, you are the first law of your thermodynamic, first law of your thermodynamic. Okay, the increase in a internal energy of a closed system is equal to the heat supply from the system minus work done by it. Work done by it means the simply the internal energy is equal to the heat supply minus the work done. Heat supply minus the work done according to the first law of your thermodynamic. The first law of thermodynamic is also known as a law of conservation of energy. This question is asking in multiple choice question, which law is called as a law of conservation. That's the first law of thermodynamic is called as a law of conservation of energy, because in that energy not be created and not to be described, it have to convert it into the one form to another form, or one place to another place. That is called as a, you are the law of conservation. The first law, this state that the energy can be neither created or not to be destroyed, not be created and not to be destroyed. However, energy can be changed from the energy flow one place to another place. The total energy of isolated system does not change. यदि आपने 50 ATP एनर्जी आपने पुट किया है, तो डेफिनेटली आप वो जो एनर्जी है कितनी भी केमिकल प्रोसेस हो, वो पर्टिकुलरली क्या होंगी, ना क्रिएट होंगी, 50 की 50 ही रहेंगी, ना 51 होंगी, ना 49 होंगी. इट विल बी द कन्वर्टेड इनटू द वन फॉर्म टू another form, one place to another place. And the isolated system is a does not changing in there, means the system is your the du is equal to q minus work, q minus w. This is a your the first law of thermodynamic. The second law of thermodynamic, the entropy of any isolated system almost never decreases, almost never decreases particularly. Okay, what is the meaning of entropy? The randomness of system, the randomness of system. The entropy in isolated system almost never decreases. Such systems spontaneously evolve toward the thermodynamic equilibrium. That is the state maximum entropy of the system equivalent the perpetual motion machine of your the second kind is impossible. Second kind is your impossible, means here is your the product is occurring to the directly of your the temperature and your the entropy, temperature and your entropy. Okay, the second law of thermodynamic, according to this law, it is the reversible heat transfer, and element to the heat transfer is the product of your the temperature and its entropy, product of your temperature and its entropy. Second law is equal, see, the particularly heat transfer is equal to the product of your temperature and entropy. That is a called of your second law of your thermodynamic. Then the third law of your thermodynamic, the entropy of the system approach a constant value as a temperature approach absolute zero. Definitely यदि वैल्यू ही कांस्टेंट रहेंगी, दैट इज अ एब्सोल्यूट जीरो. द टेम्परेचर इज योर द एब्सोल्यूट जीरो, और टेम्परेचर इज योर द कांस्टेंट. Temperature is your the constant in case of the entropy system. At zero temperature, the system must be in a state with a minimum thermal energy. Definitely, यदि constant temperature रहा तो definitely the minimum thermal energy which having the stated in that system. In that system, the statement hold true is the perfect crystal has only on state with the minimum energy. Definitely यदि high energy put up कर दिया तो crystal is your the bigger shape, crystal is your the bigger shape. Okay, the freeze drying में particularly explaining होता है, freeze drying में properly explaining हो जाएगा ये. ओके, जब आप सेकंड ईयर में जाएंगे तो फ्रीज ड्रायर है, फ्रीज ड्रायर में आपको बताऊंगा यदि एनर्जी हाई करते हैं तो कैसे क्रिस्टल फॉर्म होते हैं, और लो एनर्जी पे करते हैं तो एक यूनिफॉर्म क्रिस्टल फॉर्म होते हैं. And particularly minimum energy is required. Entropy is related to the number of possible microstate according to the SKB in a epsilon particularly. Okay, where the S is your the entropy of the system, Kb is your the Boltzmann constant. Okay, Stephen Boltzmann constant is your the heat transfer system. Okay, and the particularly the number of your the microstep. These law are the very helpful to get better understanding with physics concept. This law which having the very helpful to understanding the with a physics concept, that is your the third law. Okay, here is your finish the third law. Now the type of reaction. Okay, you very well known about it, the type of reaction. If the heat energy or particularly free energy is your the less than 0, it's called as a exergonic, and more than 0 it's called as a endergonic reaction. Okay, the two types of your reaction, exergonic reaction and endergonic reaction. Exergonic reaction means what is the free energy change, it's negative. This reaction is due to the loss of energy from your reactant, it's called as a exergonic. It's called as a exergonic. Okay, see one by one. जो कैटालिस्ट रिएक्शन है वो एक्सर्गोनिक है. The exergonics is a spontaneous reaction that release energy if the free energy change is a negative. If the free energy change is a negative, and this reaction is due to the loss of energy from the reactant, it's called as a exergonic. It's called as a exergonic. It's your the energy change negatively. Energy change negatively means the energy is the losses there. Energy is a losses there, it's called as a exergonic. And energy is a gaining by the positively changes, it's called as a endergonic. It's called as a endergonic. The example of your the exergonic reaction is your the catabolic reaction. It's your the catabolic reaction. Second one is your the endergonic reaction. The endergonic is a anabolic reaction that the consume energy, is the free energy change is a positive, the reaction is a called as a endergonic. Okay, देखो exergonic catabolic reaction है, endergonic anabolic reaction है. Okay, particularly exogenic और exergonic जो है the free energy change negatively, endergonic is a change positively. Okay, the example is your the synthetic reaction, but at a equilibrium it is a 0 at a constant temperature. The energy coupling occurring by the coupling of exergonic and endergonic reaction is a liberated of heat. It's a liberated of your heat. Here is your the Broth graph. Exergonic, the free heat is your the more than 0. Endergonic, the free energy is a exergonic reaction. See, it's a negative energy up to down, and your the endergonic is your the down to up. Okay, that is your the positive, and this is the one your negative. Okay, reactant to product. Exergonic में क्या हो रहा है, reactant to product which having the decline or negative energy, and in that the endergonic is your the reactant, particularly positive free energy is a reactant to the upper side, means the this is a positive part, this is your the decline part. Okay, the next one in that the enthalpy. What is the meaning of enthalpy? Enthalpy means simply the reaction is equal to the product minus reactant. Product minus reactant, that is your enthalpy. See, the enthalpy of the reaction is a measure how much heat is absorbed or given off when the chemical reaction is takes place. कितनी एनर्जी और कितना हीट उसने एब्जॉर्ब किया है, टू स्टडी इन दैट इट्स कॉल्ड एज एंथैल्पी. It's called as a enthalpy. It is a represented by the enthalpy is a represented by the delta H. It's your the delta. It's called by the H reaction, and is a found by the subtract the enthalpy of the reactant from the enthalpy of your the product. Definitely the subtraction. enthalpy is equal to the product minus or subscription product subtract by your the reactant. Okay, what is the particularly formula? The enthalpy reaction is equal to the product and your product minus reactant as well as the product subtracting by the reaction. Okay, this is your the enthalpy. Therefore the equation is telling us to sum of your the enthalpy of a product and subtract the sum of your the enthalpy of your the reactant. Definitely that is your the enthalpy. The second in that the entropy. It is introduced by the German physicist the Rodolph Celsius or Clausius. Rudolf Clausius in the 1850 in a highlight of your the 19th century in a physics. Entropy is a measure of system thermal energy per unit temperature that is available for the doing useful work. Because of work is obtained from the order molecule motion, the amount of entropy is a measure to help the molecular disorder or randomness of your the system. This entropy which having helped to the determination of your the molecular disorder as well as the dynamic disorder. And this entropy the first time published the German physicist, particularly the name of the Rudolf Clausius in 1850 particularly. Okay, and this entropy which having helped to the determination of your the molecular disorder as well as the dynamic disorder. As we have found most physical system change with a time situated, we can refer to the dynamic disorder. The entropy is expressed by the following equation: S is equal to Q divided by T, where the S stand for the change in a entropy of a reversible process. It is a particularly measure in your joule, Kelvin, calories and your kelvins. The Q is your the change in a heat of the system, and T is a temperature. Okay, the last one in that the particularly the redox reaction. What is a redox reaction or redox potential? The redox potential is defined as a specific indicator of the extent to which the oxidizing as well as the reducing the power of the substance which has been both reducing and oxidizing ingredient have the achieved equilibrium. What is the meaning in that? The both reaction is takes place there. Redox मतलब क्या? It's oxidation as well as the reduction, means the reducing as well as the oxidizing ingredient both are the involving in there, and there is a form of your the oxidation reaction as well as the reduction reaction is takes place there. They exist the two form. Definitely redox reaction is exist the two form, oxidation and reduction. मैंने बताया ना, the oxidizing form or oxidant which can accept the electron, the reduction which can donate the electron. Reduction means क्या? Oxidation accept the electron, reduction means donate the electron to the substrate. Each oxidizing or the reducing agent exists as a conjugated pair of electron accept oxidant electron donor reluctant form. Okay, oxidant means the accept your the electron and to form give the reluctant Okay student, here is your the finish the first basic part of your the bioenergetic. The next lecture we will resuming in that the energy rich compound, that is your the about the ATP. Okay, thank you student.